In complex number, we have not yet discussed the term modulus. So today we'll talk about the modulus and the conjugate of a complex number, and we'll also see how it is related with the inverse of a complex number. So let us suppose there is a complex number z that is equal to a plus ib. Okay, then what will be the modulus? So modulus is denoted by modulus of z, and that is modulus of z will be denoted as this, and that will be a non-negative real number that is equal to square root of a square plus b square. And what is a and b? A is the real part of this z and b is the imaginary part of the z, of this z. Okay, now so, and what is, we all know that what is conjugate. If z is equal to a plus ib, then conjugate will be denoted as z bar, and that will be equal to a minus ib, right? Okay. So basically, what will the value of z inverse? First, we'll take one example, then we'll understand. If we'll take z is equal to 3 plus I, okay, then what will the modulus of z? Modulus of z, or we can write modulus of 3 plus I. So that will be equal to square root of 3 का square plus I के साथ क्या है? What is the imaginary part of this z? That is 1. So 1 का square. So 3 का square will be 9 and 1 का square will be 1 square root. So it will be square root of 10. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. Okay. Z, if z is equal to 2 plus 5i, or else we can take 2 minus 5i, I 5. So what will the modulus of z? That will be, so modulus of z will be denoted as z mod, or 2 modulus of 2 minus 5i, and that will be equal to square root of 2 plus minus 5 ka square root. Okay, so square root of 2 will be equal to 4 and 25. Okay, so it will be square root of 29. Okay, so this way we can find out the modulus. Okay, now you know what is multiplicative inverse. If z is a complex number, then z inverse will be denoted as 1 upon z. That will be z inverse. It means 1 upon a plus ib. Okay, so how we can write this? How we can solve this? For this, we need to multiply with the conjugate of this. So a minus ib से हमें multiply करना पड़ेगा. When we are multiplying in the denominator with a minus ib, then we need to multiply in the numerator also by a minus ib. ठीक है? So what we'll get? We'll get a minus ib divided by, when we'll multiply like x plus y into x minus y, that will be x square plus x square minus y square. So a का square minus I का square and b का square, right? ib का square, we can also write ib का square, that will be I का square and b का square. So a minus ib divided by a का square will be a का square, and minus I का square will be minus 1. So minus minus plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square. So what is this? This one is z. Square of, so modulus of z, modulus of z will be equal to square root of a square plus b square, and this is a square plus b square. So can we write like this? Z inverse will be equal to, or 1 upon z will be equal to conjugate of z divided by modulus of z का square. Can we write like this? लिख सकते हैं ना? So this way it is related. So modulus and conjugate of a complex number are related to the inverse. Okay, so in other way we can also write like this. If we'll multiply z inverse, okay, या फिर z inverse ना लेकर directly, if we can write 1 upon z is equal to z bar upon modulus of z का square. It means what? It means z into cross multiplication हम करके देखते हैं, तो z into conjugate of z will be equal to मॉडुलस ऑफ z का स्क्वायर. ओके, so this way, so we can also derive some more results, like for any two complex number, if we have two complex numbers z1 and z2, then we can also derive these things. Modulus of z1 into z2 will be equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Okay, this is the first thing that we can see. And the second, similarly we can also derive if modulus of z1 upon z2 equals, that will be equal to z1 modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Okay, but in this case modulus of z2 can't be equal to 0 because that is denominator. If it will be 0, this will be non-defined. Okay, and next और क्या हम derive कर सकते हैं इससे? Yeah, if z1 and z2 का conjugate, okay, first we have to multiply z1 and z2, then finding out conjugate, that will be equal to conjugate of z1 multiplied by conjugate of z2. Okay, one more thing that we can derive by using this one, that is z1 plus z2 या फिर z1 minus z2 का conjugate, that will be equal to z1 का conjugate plus minus z2 का conjugate. Okay, so these are the things that we can derive by similar concept. Okay, same concept use करके we can derive these also. Okay, now we'll do sums based on this one. कुछ sums करते हैं and one question will do. If what we have to do, we have to find out the multiplicative. If z is equal to 2 minus I3, okay, then what we have to find out? We have to find out z inverse. Okay, so what will be the value of z inverse? So z inverse will be equal to z bar upon modulus of z का square. Okay, so what will be the z bar, I mean conjugate of z will be equal to 2 plus I3, and what will the value of z square, I mean modulus of z square, that will be equal to a का square, that is 2 का square plus minus 3 का square. Okay, so 2 plus 3i divided by 2 का square will be 4 plus 9, that will be 13. Okay, so we can write z inverse of z will be equal to 2 upon 13 plus I 3 upon 13. Okay, so this way we can write this in the term of a plus ib के term में हम लिख सकते हैं z inverse को. One more question will do. If we have a question 5 plus square root of 2i divided by 1 minus square root of 2i. So what we have to do, we have to convert this in the form of a plus ib. So what we have to do, इसे a plus ib के term में हमें convert करना है. Okay, so how we will do this? 5 plus square root of 2i divided by 1 minus square root of 2i. So first of all we need to remove the denominator में से I. Denominator should be a real number. So what we'll do, we'll multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, that will be 1 plus square root of 2i. When we are multiplying with this one in the denominator, we need to multiply with the same complex number in the numerator, that will be 1 plus square root of 2i. Okay, so what result we'll get? 1 into 5 will be, okay, two complex number when we are multiplying, what value will get? 5 and this minus 2. Okay, this will be the real part and imaginary part will be when we are multiplying this one with this and this one with this. So 5 root 2 प्लस 1 रूट 2 मतलब रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा एंड प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 का स्क्वायर. So that will be equal to 5 minus 2 will be 3 and plus I into 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2, that will be equal to 6 root 2, okay, and divided by 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. So 3 will take common, we'll get 1 plus 2 root 2 I, because यहाँ से 3 common लेंगे, we'll get 2 root 2 and I, okay, divided by 2 plus 1 will be 3. Cancel किया. So we can write this, if this is equal to z, then z will be equal to 1 plus 2 root 2 I. This is in the form of a plus ib के टर्म में, मतलब ये है, right? So यही हमें करना था. And one more question will do. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं एंड I to the power minus 35. What will be the value of this? Minus 35, it means I का power, it means 1 upon I का power will be 35, right? So I का power 35 will be equal to 1 upon I, 4, I to the power 4 into something, so 4 into 8, that will be 32 and plus 3. It means किसी भी चीज का पावर, इफ I to the power 8 का पावर 4 है या फिर I to the power 4 का पावर 8 है, so I to the power 4 is 1 and उसका पावर 1 का पावर 8 will be 1 only, okay, and I to the power 3, it means it will be 1 upon I to the power 3. So now नीचे 1 करने के लिए 1, if we'll multiply this by I, we'll get 1, so in numerator and denominator both will multiply by I and we'll get I divided by I to the power 4, that is equal to 1, so I upon 1, that is equal to I, okay. So I to the power minus 35 will be equal to I, ठीक है. Now we'll do the exercise 5.1 of NCERT book, okay. So exercise 5.1 of NCERT, okay. Okay, so what we have to do in this, it's written exercise 1 to 10 exercise, okay. So questions given, in that questions you have to convert this, express these each of the complex number in the form of a plus ib and the complex number. Question number 1 is 5 into I multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 I, okay. इसे हमें convert करना in the form of a plus ib, a plus ib के term में हमें convert करना है, okay. So how we can do this? First of all, we'll multiply 5 into minus 3 upon 5 and then I and I multiplied by I square, okay. This 5 cancel and I square will be equal to minus 1 and already this is minus 3, so it will be 3, okay. So we'll get 3. So a plus I b के term में we can write a plus 0I, okay, I0, okay. So next question is question number 2, that is I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. So I to the power 9 will be, I to the power 4 is equal to 1, so I to the power 8 will be equal to 1. जो भी multiple और 4 हो power में, that will be equal to 1. So I to the power 9 will be equal to I. And I to the power 19, I to the power 19 will be equal to 16, 16 will be I, so I to the power 16 into 16 plus 3, so it will be I to the power 3, Okay, so it will be I plus, it will be minus I. This will be I minus I, that is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write in the term of A plus IB, that will be 0 plus I0. Okay, so similarly third question is also there, we can do that. That is easy. Now we'll do fourth one. 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. So 3 into 7 will be 21 plus 3 into 7I will be equal to 21I plus I into 7 will be equal to 7I plus I into I7 will be equal to I square 7. Okay, so this we can add, and that will be equal to 21 plus 7 will be 28I and plus 21. Okay, this one, and this will be minus I square will be equal to minus, so minus 7. So this will be equal to 21 minus 7 will be equal to 14, and this is 28 plus 28I. So this is in the form of A plus IB. Okay, now we'll do sixth question. 1 upon 5 plus I 2 upon 5. Okay, whatever we have done in fourth, now similar is fifth question, so you can do that. And now we are doing sixth question, that is 4 plus I 5 upon 2. Now we have to convert this in the term of A, in the form of A plus IB. So this will be equal to 1 upon 5 plus I 2 upon 5 minus 4 and minus I 5 upon 2. So what we can do here, 1 upon 5 minus 4. This is real part, and now we'll write imaginary I common लेंगे, तो 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so 1 minus 20 divided by 5 plus I into 4 minus 25 divided by 10. So this will be equal to minus 19 upon 5 minus 4 minus 25 will be equal to minus 21 upon 10I. Okay, so this is in the form of A plus IB. Okay, next question, seventh question. 1 upon 3 plus I 7 upon 3 plus 4 plus I 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 plus I. Okay, we have to convert this in the form of A plus IB. Okay, so 1 upon 3 plus I 7 upon 3 plus 4 plus I 1 upon 3 minus plus 4 upon 3 and ये minus I. Now जितने भी रियल पार्ट हैं we'll take एक साइड में हम ले लेंगे, तो 1 upon 3 plus 4 plus 4 upon 3. ठीक है, ये तीनों हैं. Now we'll take imaginary I common ले लेंगे, then we'll write 7 upon 3 and plus 1 upon 3 and minus 1. So this will be equal to 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 will be equal to 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 plus 4 plus I into 7 plus 1, 8 upon 3 minus 1. So this will be equal to 5. 5 upon 3 plus 4 will be equal to 5 plus 12. That will be 17 upon 3 and plus I into 8 upon 3 minus 1 will be equal to 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 3. So that will be equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, so this is in the form of A plus IB. Next question. Now we'll do another type of question. So in question number 11 to 13, what you have to do, you have to find out multiplicative inverse. It means in question number 11, 4 is, let us suppose this is z. Z is equal to 4 minus 3i. So what you have to find out? You have to find out z inverse. Okay. So z inverse will be equal to conjugate of z divided by modulus of z ka square. So what will be the value of conjugate? Conjugate will be equal to 4 plus 3i divided by square of modulus. Okay, modulus ka square will be equal to 4 ka square plus minus 3 ka square. So this will be equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9. So 4 plus 3i divided by 25. So z inverse का value क्या हो गया? It means multiplicative inverse of this. Okay, we can write like this: multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. Okay, that will be equal to 4 upon 25 plus I 3 upon 25. Okay. Now next question number 12. Same thing we have to do in this also. If z is equal to square root of 5 plus 3i. So what we have to find out? We have to find out z inverse. Okay. So z inverse will be equal to conjugate of z divided by modulus of z ka square. The conjugate of z will be square root of 5 minus 3i divided by square root of modulus of z ka square. So that will be equal to square root of 5 ka whole square plus 3 ka whole square. Okay, it means square root of 5 minus 3i divided by 5 it will be 5 and this will be 9. 5 plus 9 will be 14. So we can write like this: z inverse, or we can write square root of 5 plus 3i ka inverse will be equal to, multiplicative inverse will be equal to square root of 5 upon 14 minus I 3 upon 14. Okay. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 14, what you have to do? You have to express the following expressions in the form of a plus ib के term में we have to convert. Okay, so this is 3 plus I square root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus I square root of 5 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 2i minus square root of 3 minus I root 2. Okay, so what we'll do here, see these two are conjugate of each other, so इसको multiply करेंगे, we'll get the square of modulus. Okay, so it will be 3 का square plus square root of 5 का square. Okay, divided by, now we'll find out the value, square root of 3 plus square root of 2i minus square root of 3 and minus plus I root 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 का square will be 9 and this will be 5. ये तो cancel हो जाएगा, square root of 3 minus square root of 3 cancel, and यहाँ पे root 2i and root 2i will be equal to 2 root 2i. Okay, so this is 14 upon 2 root 2i. Okay. Now we have to remove this I from denominator. So what we will do, हम इसे multiply करते हैं I से. Okay, in numerator and denominator. So what value we'll get? It will be 14i and this will be I का square, so minus 2 root 2. Okay, so now we'll convert this in the term of a plus ib. Okay, this will be 14 minus 14i divided by 2 root 2. So 2 से cancel करेंगे, we'll get 7 minus 7i divided by root 2. Okay, so we can write like this: 0 minus I 7 upon root 2. This is in the term of A, in the form of A plus IB. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.